BJP National President Amit Shah addresses election rally at Kodongpopi ground Wongsing fails to mention anything about contentious bill. NPP, an ally of BJP-led state government, urges people not to vote for BJP, says it's against natives. Also termed Congress and NPF as parties against integrity of Manipur. MPCC President Gai Khangam reminds voting for BJP is ensuring Lok Sabha polls is same as okaying to Citizenship Amendment Bill. And 26th Sector Assam Rifles Technopole Battalion names 3 in possession of contraband world is used tablet worth around 27 crore rupees. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Prime Time English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. BJP National President Amit Shah lauded all the development and undertakings of the country's Prime Minister and the State Chief Minister, but failed to mention anything on Citizenship Amendment Bill in his state visit. Addressing an election rally at Kodongpopi ground in Wongsing today, Amit Shah alleged that Okram Ibobi, during his tenure as the Chief Minister, misappropriated public welfare funds sanctioned by the centre, which led to degradation of land, water, medical facilities, forest and environment, including the Lotak lair. On the other hand, Amit Shah asserted that BJP-led NDA government since coming to power in 2014 undertook various welfare works for the Northeast states. He said the 14th Finance Commission during BJP-led NDA government gave allotment for Northeast states by over 258 crore rupees as compared to the 13th Finance Commission during the UPA government. He asserted that the NDA government aims to construct good roadways and railways in all the states of India, including Northeast states by 2022. He mentioned that the BJP government initiated the ongoing expansion works of the Imphal International Airport to facilitate full-fledged cargo service to enhance the economy of the state. The BJP National President lauded Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren for curbing burn and blockade, which were once rampant during the Congress governance. Expressing firm belief that Narendra Modi will be back as country's Prime Minister, the BJP National President urged people of the state to vote for BJP. Chief Minister N. Biren, Revenue Minister Karam Shyam, Works Minister Biswajit, Forest Minister Shyam Kumar and BJP MLAs attended the campaign held under the banner Modi Once More.
सरकार इतने सालों तक चली 139 दिन ब्लॉकेज रहता था, भ्रष्टाचार का कोई शुमार नहीं था। जो पैसा दिल्ली से आता था इबोबी सिंह के द्वारा चाऊ कर लिया जाता था। इबोबी सिंह सरकार ने मणिपुर की धरती भी बेची, पानी भी बेचा, जंगल भी बेचे, दवाइयां भी बेची, यहां तक लोकटक झील को भी समाप्त करने का काम इबोबी सिंह ने किया था।
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar termed BJP as a party that yearns to wipe out indigenous people from the state and also termed Congress and NPF as parties trying to disintegrate Manipur. He was speaking in a public meeting held at the residence of social worker Thongam Santi at Moirang Film Lekai, attended by over 30 village leaders of Tangzing Chingsang area today. He warned that if BJP government comes back again, then CEB will be surely implemented in Northeast states. He also said that if NPF wins at the ensuing election, Manipur will be in chaos pertaining to Naga issues.
CEB bill is loina Manipur ki loina ko including everyone, including Naga bawona CEB bill is garo yana hai Nagaland du sai adu umba bill du kaino BJP ki di moina mu सरकार पाएगी सुखसोई मिलची अब धोखेनी हाई ना है कांग्रेस की जो है राहुल गांधी ने कही है मोइन कांग्रेस ने पाएगी दी नागागी प्रॉब्लम से सॉल्व तो नहीं अब जी स्टेज बहुत दी एमपी में कोई मांग था करेगी नो मोई बिहाइंड देम इज एनएसएन आई
Well, in another NPP political conference held at Kakching Khuna Oang Lekai, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar stated that he won't mind if the present government take actions against him and NPP for speaking up for the welfare of the people. He assured that all NPP MLAs and ministers will always stand for the people even at the risk of losing their posts. He appealed to be cautious and to choose the right candidates.
Now is the right time.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPP President Gaikangam expressed apprehension of a high possibility of the implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill if BJP is ever voted to power in the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections. He was speaking to an upcoming exclusive program of Impact News in view of the ensuing elections entitled President Speak, recapitulating election-related views of various political party leaders, especially party presidents. Gaikangam expressed shock that Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren, who once praised former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi as an avatar of God and even proposed to build Ibobi's statue in gold while he was in the Congress party, is now rebuking the former Chief Minister after joining the BJP. Please wait for the full telecast of the interview with the MPCC President on Impact News.
BJP second paula udran khali industry outer so makoi third or fourth lakadran khali BJP state unit amadi center da leba leadership pun magna hui pawda CAB gi matang da yaroi have haide CAB se koi implement tawgani hadana ngangi chap yung lepi makoi na vote se amuka da amuka sakti da hanjaladi CAB se koi implement tawni harabana aduguma party da amuk vote piba tarabati CAB se satnaba yai haibaga pangkhak oire habena madudi Manipur praja sing suppose hoya khallo khal BJP da piba means CAB yare habeni BJP da pidaba means CAB yade habeni aina thaje madudi Manipur praja na CAB yade bana so CAD support of a party BJP da vote piro hai.
MPCC spokesperson T. Mangibabu called Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren naive in politics for accusing Congress Party of not initiating any development projects in Manipur. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Mangibabu mentioned that development works undertaken by Congress Party are countless. He reminded that Chief Minister Biren was in the Congress Party and even held various portfolios as a Congress minister. He slammed the Chief Minister for forgetting all that Congress Party did after he joined the BJP. The MPCC spokesperson asked Biren to stop appeasing Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also mocked the BJP government of renaming project initiated by Congress Party-led UPA government. Responding to a recent remark of Works Minister Thongam Biswajit accusing Congress of playing divide and rule policy of the British, Mangibabu asserted that it is the BJP that plays divide and rule policy. He alleged that BJP-led NDA government implemented triple talaq to cause unrest in Muslim community.
फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम तराग तरुक असे मसी नौना यूपीए सरकार ना भारत की लेरिब प्रजा पुनमकी याइफनबगी दमकता हाइदना लॉकथोक पिरमबा पाइखत पिरमबा अदुगम प्रोग्राम वाक्तनी हाइब अचुंब पुथोनबगी दमकता प्रजा म्याम सिंगसिना गवर्नमेंट करी तौरिगे सरकार न करी तौरिगे से मुन खंगनबगी दमकता पुथोंबा RTI राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्ट कासे कांग्रेस ना हौदोम नतबरा हाइब प्रजादा लान उहन्नब होनरिबा असिगुंबा मणिपुर की चीफ मिनिस्टर मसी खोई याम इकाई निंगाइनी असुंबसिंग असे तोहनिंगदे असुम असुंबो वांगांग हनिंगी अदुगा प्रजागी दमुक्ता अफब थबक तोहनिंगी.
President of All Manipur Christian Organization AMCO, Reverend P. Prim Baifei, appealed to every sections of the state to exercise their franchise, acknowledging their voter rights in the ensuing 17th Lok Sabha election. Speaking to media during a press meet organized by AMCO at Manipur Press Club today, Baifei urged people to vote for the right candidate who will serve people and land in every aspect. He assured that AMCO will hold on to secularism and democracy and will never compromise with regards to CAB. Vaifei urged people not to trade their votes for money, but to cast their valuable votes for the decent and efficient candidate. He also discouraged people from sidelining the upcoming polls with the mere excuse of having no interest in politics.
We stand for secularism and democracy. Masikidamagta ekoi dum lepchabani ekoi release badi oijarabasu citizen amendment bill adugumbadi eko kadongai dasu compromise to ngamoi aduna ekoi election matamasida mi singasina wakhan tobiraga karamba mi oina jati kidamakta ireiba kidamakta phagadra haibadu mi adugi moral integrity yengaga vote thadabiyu tongan tongamba organization loop Leriba Miosing, Sangstan Leriba Miosing Nazu, Mi Kana Mata Mahakna, Pige Haina Masana, Leptaba Waripatiki Wangmada, Ngame Haiduna, Namna Wotada Hanba, Adugumasuto Bigano.
James Gangte, who recently charged former Icham president of receiving a hefty amount of money to pass the bill of Kugadam project, expressed shock that the former Icham president refused to recognize him. James claimed that he was a vice president of the Icham Chorshambo district during the concerned Icham president's tenure. He maintained that they worked together for around 4 months then. Speaking to media at Kuyatong today, James Gangte intimated that after MPCC spokesperson Kumucham Joykisan exposed his predicament recently on media, Icham President Yumi, office in charge of Icham Chorshampur, Thang Milliant and One Jinzoy came to with an offer of 5 lakh rupees at his residence on the morning of April 1. James said he was not at home during their visit and the offer was declined. He asked why would the concerned former Icham president send men with the offer to an unknown person's house. James demanded his money back as it was borrowed from contractors who are now working, asking him for repaying. Stating that he is unable to pay his debt as he is undergoing expensive medical treatment for 3 diseases, James Gangte expressed disappointment that there is no positive response yet, even after apprising the issue to Chief Minister's Secretariat.
How come he sent some representative to deliver a money to a unknown person? If he don't know Mr. James Gangte, how come he sent 3 person to my house and give me that amount? Don't have any intention of tarnishing their image or hold any grudge against them, but I'm humbly pleading them to refund my paid percentage amount I have given to Rajendra, and I have been holding 3 chronic diseases, that is liver cirrhosis, arthritis, as well as gastro problem. I'm poor person and now I'm very sick. I have many more programs for medical checkup, so I don't have to. I humbly request them to pay my said amount.
Taking part in the press meet, MPCC spokesperson Kumukcham Joykisan expressed disappointment that the government complained about him to ECI when all he did was urging the government to take measures against the culprits involved in the bribery case raised by James Gangte. Kumukcham Joykisan asserted that Congress Party and he will always stand for the truth and will not be ridiculed by trades. He maintained that the Chief Minister should listen to both sides of the story. The MPCC spokesperson demanded to discuss the issue in public domain involving CSOs and local clubs to resolve it.
Reminder me am thabs na ke do lege ruling gi BJP MLA am da approach tawre adu matung da Chief Minister Secretary P re post su thare action lo khatre da ruling da haiba tak no opposition da chatle haiba ne ba MLA se public representative ne ba praja mayam gi kholaw haibum to e ada ai ko din han thamjari duni post chumira lal magadi James Gangte ne allegation tormni mai mathak dekhe local su hari duni CSO khangde local club khangde am si hon biyo lainga ki mi si hon biyo ba jadu ko James Gangte su thona phana ngangan biyo ba et dhamka tawra mi machine muine ba wakhando du to biyo ba pachok yam paisa se thengkhang mayam lo to pidre kanana lamra khoma ain gi noina thopu dum tawjau.
Oinam Block Congress Committee condemned the audacity of former Oinam MLA Dr. Ibo Holby, who declared dissolution of the committee after he left Congress to join NEIDP. The committee also condemned former president of the Oinam Block Mahila Congress Committee and Sumila, who declared dissolution of the Mahila Committee after she too joined the NEIDP. Speaking to media at Oinam Usa Khangdabi today, General Secretary, Administration of the Oinam Block Congress Committee, Thokchom Surjaboro, rebuked Dr. I. Ibohalbi as an ignorant person. Taking part in the press meet committee, President Oinam Ibochoba declared full reformation of the committee on March 27. He said the reformed committee is striving to make Congress party win in the forthcoming 17th Lok Sabha election.
Dr. I. Ibohalbi Singona Mahaki Mathos Irei Latabada Mahaki Hanana Hauji North East India Development Party Yaw Rabani Mana Mato Karam Hai Tobdana Oinam Block Congress Mahila Committee Mutale Haibi Mino Haibase Mahak Party ki Sambidan Khangdaba Mali President Oriba Nithogam Sumila Devi Nama Party ki Toksare Haibidi Yai Block Congress Mahila Committee Mutale Haibidi Yaroi
Athuba matamda lakadru election ki matanga Oinam Kendra Mutale Haiwa Pamadu I develop Tore Hinkale Kendra Committee Machine Suna Lere Aduna Hauzik Oinam Kendra Congress Igi Masing Tadana bot Pangani Ozik Lamjan Yawada Ikoi Yamdana Sienna Ikoi Kendasi Hazapatame Haiba Pamsi Media Tamdel
26th Sector Assam Rifles Technopol Battalion teams apprehended 3 miscreants in possession of contraband drug world issues worth around 27 crore rupees yesterday. According to Impact News sources, 2 teams of Technopol Battalion conducted search operation at Jongmondong village and Kwata village entrance upon tip-off by DRI Imphal around 3 p.m. and came across the miscreants near Kwata village entrance. Upon interception by the security team, the miscreants tried to flee to a nearby jungle. The team finally chased down the 3 miscreants and caught them with around 90 kilograms of WI tablets in 7 sacks. The arrested persons are identified as Pakholen Kongsai from Langhoi village, Fonging Mang Kongsai and Seikholien from Morewat number 9, all under Technopol subdivision. Proscribed Kanglei Communist Party, People's War Group in a press release warned Parents Teachers Association (PTA) not to intervene in the ongoing conflicts between Catholic School Society and proscribed groups Maoist Communist Party Manipur, People's War Group, Marxist Center, and KCPI-MC. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 2-day training programs on income generation in Imphal River watershed area. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Branch Laboratory, kick off 2-day training programs on income generation in Imphal River watershed area through essential oil, banana fiber at the vermicomposing at the hold of the institute in Lamphel today. 60 trainees are attending the training program. Speaking in the event, Senior Principal Scientist of the Institute, Huidrom Bir Kumar said the training program was held to enlighten villagers of the Imphal River watershed areas on ways and means to enhance their income and to raise awareness on the need to curb deforestation in the hills. Dr. R.K. Nimai, IAS retired, and Mastic Director Dr. T.H. Surendranath were among those present on the occasion.
अखोई चिंगी लमदा तारिबा इसिनाव मैम सिंग वाटर सेट तारिबा मैम सिंग सिना कोइना जंगल यानबा नत्रगना अखोई बायोलोजिकल मैम थीदना मेडिसिनल प्लांट मैम थीदना नत्रगना फायरवुड मैम कलेक्ट तौबगी प्रेशर जो हंधरागदी अखोई मणिपुर की तुरेन की हॉर्फम मरु सिंसी यामना हेल्दी ओइना लेरगदी कोइना नोंग तारक मतमदा मसी अखोई मतम चंगना अखोई स्लोली कोई वाटर से डिस्चार्ज तौरगदी कोई मणिपुर यामना फ्लैश फ्लड अहिंग अमदा थोइबो कोई इसिंग इसाव की प्रॉब्लम से कोई तंगाई फदना कोई याम सर्टेन लेवल अमदा कोई डाउन तौबो यागनी हाइबा पोनमजी की मखादा कोई ngasi ki training program se koina sinjabani.
Salai Agri Consortium Private Limited, a subsidiary unit of Salai Holdings Private Limited, has developed organic peas and potatoes at discounted rates in relation to Sajibu Noma Banba Cherauba. Salai Agri Consortium has been campaigning on the theme Know Your Foods, urging people to avoid chemical fertilizers to build a healthy society. Over 1,650 kilograms of peas and more than 2,000 kilograms of potato were made available for the first phase. Nongkhang Santang village in Technopol district got electricity After 4 years, when Smart Society, a subsidiary unit of Salai Holdings Private Limited, finally paid off the due electricity bills of the villagers. Speaking to media at Salai office in Tera today, Smart Society Administrative Officer Konzengbam Beni stated that Salai has been undertaking various developmental works in various parts of the state for a parallel development in both hills and valley of the state. He said as part of Salai's vision, a team led by Salai chairman Narengbam Sarmazit inspected the village on February 3 this year and came across firsthand in the adversity facing the villagers due to lack of electricity. Konzengbam Beni disclosed that plans are underway to construct a school in the village and a short of various welfare projects across the state.
Saidang village ta koina satto matam da moigi aham step oina koina moigi mai phangdaba simadi koina sawar problem ni khanbadagi sima koina moigi bill se clearance toraga moigi electricity phangan magi kudong sabduma piro matungda tungda moigi problem sing da koina saruk yanaba haina smart society side tagi atbajai.
Nongkhang Satang Village Authority member T. Simon Maring expressed gratitude to Salai for the initiative and hopes for a better tie between hills and valley inhabitants under the initiatives of Salai.
Shahi kaya ako'y may talagtere adubo Salai holding na ako'y ima amatagi machani habi wakalonda moy na ako'y mamdun layliba mapamsi moy na nga nanbire nga na layba nungai na layba phangani Salai holding ki mathakta isona moy tawo khuding chatpo khuding da apan ma leitedna loina biba oisnu shahi kaya ako'y may talagtere adubo Salai holding na.
One-day free eye testing for drivers in a medical camp was held at Chorchampu Bus Parking, New Bazaar, Tuibong, Well Pumped and Tingkang Phai Auto Station in Chorchampu District today. National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, Ministry of Roads, Transport and Highways, Government of India organized the camp for the second time under Corporate Society Responsibility (CSR) in collaboration with District Health Society, Chorchampur. Taking part in the camp, Project Manager of NHIDCL Imphal Branch, Sarvanjit assured that NHIDCL will hold many more such games in remote areas of the state during 2019-20. 200 local residents, including drivers, were checked up during the camp where free medicines were also provided. Proposed renovation of Moray Primary Health Center to upgrade it into a health and wellness center was reportedly not carried out. Media person came across mere painting of the Health and Wellness Center logo on a barrack-type quarter instead of renovating the PHC. Upon inspection, media team came across the deplorable condition of the PHC with cracked ceilings, broken floors, no windows and unpainted walls. Speaking to media, PHC Moray MO in charge, Dr. K.H. Santikumar intimated that instead of properly renovating the PHC, those concerned merely painted the logo without consulting any staffs of the center during Yaosang holidays. Proposed upgrading of PHC at Technopol District Headquarters into a health and wellness center faced similar fate, where a just logo was painted on the wall of CMO's official quarters instead of proper renovation of the PHC. Meanwhile, a reliable source also reported that there is no plan to convert Technopol PHC into a health and wellness center. The renovation project was reportedly taken out by Manikto under National Health Mission. Jingu Pangnang Social Welfare Association Fayeng Sabal Lekai in South West held its 39th Foundation Day observance today. The association appealed to youths in Fayeng area not to fall prey to the drugs or other anti-social activities. Governor Dr. Nasma Heptullah extended heartiest greetings on the auspicious occasion of Sazibu Nomapan Bachirawa May Day Community's New Year, which falls on April 6. The governor said everybody looks forward to the new year with joy and hope. She urged everyone to resolve to make Chirauba 2019 a harbinger of peace and harmony in the state by observing day in its true spirit. Chief Minister Nongtaman Biren extended heartiest greetings on the auspicious occasion of Sazibu Nomapan Chirauba May Day Community's New Year, which falls on April 6. In his greetings, the Chief Minister stated that Sazibu Nomapan Bachirawa is one of the biggest festivals of the state. He wished that the festival brings victory of good over evil and underscores the spirit of harmony and friendship among communities. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also conveyed heartiest greetings on the auspicious occasion of Sajibu Nomapanba Cherauba 2019. MPCC wished that the new year brings joy, prosperity and peaceful coexistence among all the communities of the state. Northeast India Development Party, NEIDP, also extended warm greetings on the auspicious occasion of Sajibu Nomapanba Cherauba. Kongba Maru Laifal Land Apunba Samgut Luft in a press release expressed gratitude to those who provided assistance in construction of the Ibendo shrine at Kongba. The association appealed to partake in a ritual ceremony at a shrine in relation to Sajibu Nomapanba Cherauba tomorrow at 7 a.m. Universal Family Organization and Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (CADA) also in a separate press releases conveyed heartiest greetings to people of the state, especially to Meitei community on the occasion of Sajibu Nomapanba Cherauba. As part of the security measures ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operation in Pauna Bazaar areas from Mahabir Pharmacy to Ibohol Cycle, Masjid Road to Kuyatong, BT Road and near MPP office today. The team, under the supervision of the additional SP operation, Imphal West Police Aribam Gyanashyam, carried out the drive from 7:50 a.m. to 8:50 a.m. and verified a total of 670 individuals. 15 individuals without proper identification proofs were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. The team also carried out search operation at Sangangai area this morning from 5:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Security has beefed up ahead of this expected state visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 7. Imphal East District Police Team, under the command of the Imphal East SP Joget Chandra Haubism and supervision of the additional SP operation TH Krishna Tombi, carried out cordon and search operation at Palace compound from 6:15 to 7:30 this morning and verified a total of 215 individuals. No arrests were made. The team also carried out door-to-door combing operation at Ningtempo Krimapal from 3:30 to 4:30 this afternoon. The team seized 20 litre of DIC liquor and large quantity of country liquor from a vendor during the operation. The arrested individuals was handed over to Porampat Police Station. Proscribed Kanglipak Communist Party Military Joint Council in a press release called total shutdown from 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. of April 7, condemning the expected state visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the day in view of the forthcoming Lok Sabha election. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. BJP National President Amit Shah addresses election rally at Kodongpokpi ground, Wongsing, failed to mention anything about contentious bill. NPP, an ally of BJP's late state government, urges people not to vote for BJP, says it's against natives, or to term Congress and NPF as parties against integrity of Manipur. MPCC President Gaikhangam Triman's voting for BJP is in ensuring Lok Sabha polls is same as okaying to Citizenship Amendment Bill. And 26 Sector Assam Rifles Technopole Battalion names 3 in possession of contraband Voltisios tablet worth around 27 crore rupees.